Hi, here at H.Mitchell Car Sales, we're very pleased to be able to offer for sale this 2018 Hyundai i10 1 litre SE Go. This car is finished in polar white. It's got daytime running lights. You've got the gloss black mirror covers, rear privacy glass, 14-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, front near side alloy wheel. You've got the Go logo on the door pillars. Inside the car you've got the charcoal grey upholstery with the blue pattern in the centre panels and the blue stitching. Rear passenger area, so in the rear of the car you've got room for 3 passengers. ISOFIX fixing points for the baby seat, electric rear window openings, near side rear alloy wheel. Moving round to the rear of the car, so inside the rear load area you've got the 60/40 split rear seat, space saver spare wheel, moving down to the driver's side of the car now. Driver's side rear alloy wheel. So inside the car on the driver's door you've got the controls for the electric windows all round, electric mirror adjustment. On the dashboard you've got the controls to turn off the traction control. 5-speed gearbox, USB and auxiliary port, 12-volt plug-ins for accessories. Heater controls with manual air conditioning. Then you've got the multimedia system. So you've got the touch screen, multimedia system, into the home page. Audio, you've got AM, FM and DAB radio stations. Full screen navigation. It's the menu. Controls on the steering wheel for answering and rejecting calls. You've also got voice control if your phone's compatible. This side you've got the control for the cruise control and speed limiter. This car's done 21,670 miles. Identification plate that tells it's the Hyundai i10 Go. Moving forward, driver's side front alloy wheel. Okay, I hope you find this video informative. Any further questions regarding this car, please contact us by phoning 01924 411 323 or send an email to mail@hmitchellcarsales.co.uk. Thank you for watching. We look forward to your inquiry. Bye.